Hi, I'm Moses,
I'm Scott.
and we're going to check out the SFT pedal by Catalinbread. Someone requested that we do a video on it, so here's a quick little demo for you. We're going to do bass, and then we're going to do guitar. I hope you guys liked this pedal. I thought it was pretty super heavy. I actually was way surprised by it. I dug it. What do you think?
I thought that it had that low-end doom that the person who requested it was looking for, unlike what he had said on the internet, that the other demos didn't illustrate that. But I think it's got more low grumble than most things out there.
If there's any other videos you want to see, any particular pedal of, head over to guitarchimp.com. You can see our full inventory. Go ahead and leave us a comment or shoot us a message or an email or whatever. We'll do a short little demo for you, and occasionally we do like long form demos. You can check those out too. Cheers.
See you guys.
Dude.